Hello, I am Mr. Abdullah Ahmed. I'm a teacher of English language. I'm from Egypt. I live in Minya. I have graduated from Faculty of Education English Department year 2020 with grade good. How are you? Let's start our session now. Our session now is about countable and uncountable nouns. Nouns that we can count are countable nouns. So nouns that we can count are countable nouns. I can count it. For example, I can count the word book. I can say one book, two books, three books. So I can count the word book. What else? Yes, pen. I can count the word pen. I can say one pen, two pens, three pens. Okay, but nouns that we cannot count are uncountable nouns. Nouns that we can't count are uncountable nouns. For example, water. Can I count water? No, I can't count water. I can't say one water, two waters. No, I can't say it. So water is uncountable noun. Okay. Milk. Can I count milk? No. So milk is uncountable noun. Sugar. I can't count the sugar too. So if we divided these words into countable and uncountable nouns, let's start. Egg is countable or uncountable noun? Yes, egg is countable noun. Why? Because I can count it. I can say one egg, two eggs, three eggs. Okay? And girl, countable noun too. I can say one girl, two girls, three girls. So one girl, two girls, three girls. Okay, what about jacket? Yeah, countable. I can say one jacket, two jackets, three jackets. Cat, one cat, two cats, three cats. Pencil, one pencil, two pencils, three pencils. School, one school, two schools, three schools. But uncountable noun as cheese, I can't say one or two cheese, of course not. So cheese is uncountable. Butter, the word butter is uncountable noun too. Okay, oil, uncountable. Salt, uncountable. Juice, uncountable. And meat, uncountable noun. Okay, let's move to another part. The difference between some and any. We use some and any in these cases. Number one, the exact number is not known. Number two, the exact number is not important. Number one, the exact number is not known. Number two, the exact number is not important. Okay, we can use some in positive sentences. We use some in positive sentences. For example, there are some apples on the table. Of course, apples are countable. Okay, there are some apples on the table. There is some water in the glass. There is some water in the glass. Of course, water is uncountable. So we can use some with countable and uncountable, but we should use it in positive sentences. Let's move to another part. Any. How can we use any? We use any in questions and negative sentences. We use any in questions and negative sentences. For example, are there any apples in the basket? Are there any apples in the basket? So we use any here and question. Are there? It's question. Okay. Is there any milk in the fridge? Is there any milk in the fridge? So we can use any with questions. What about the negative? Yes, we can use any with negative too. For example, there aren't any apples in the basket. There aren't any apples in the basket. There isn't any milk in the fridge. There isn't any milk in the fridge. So we can use any with countable and uncountable nouns, but we use it in questions and negative sentences. Let's go to the exercise. There isn't space water in the bottle. There isn't space water in the bottle. So there isn't is positive or negative? Yes, it's negative. So we use any or some in negative. Excellent. Yeah, we use any in negative. Okay, the second sentence. I can't find space box about dinosaurs. I can't find space box about dinosaurs. I can't is positive or negative? Yeah, it's never negative. Yeah, it's negative. So I can't find any box about dinosaurs. Number 3. Are there space oranges in the fridge? Are there space oranges in the fridge? Yes, it's a question. So we can use any or some question. So any. Are there any oranges in the fridge? Are there any oranges in the fridge? The last one, there are space pictures on the wall. There are space pictures on the wall. So, yeah, it's positive or negative or question. It's a positive sentence. It's a positive sentence. Yes, excellent. So there are some pictures on the wall. There are some pictures on the wall. Now, check your answers. You will choose some or any. Of course, I have some apples, but I don't have any. I have, it's a positive sentence. So we will choose some, but I don't have, it's a negative sentence. So we will choose any. Mary didn't buy any flowers. Of course, didn't is negative. Negative. So we will choose any. The last sentence, don't buy any pasta. Don't, it's a negative. So we will choose any. Don't buy any pasta. We have got some in the cupboard. We have got some in the cupboard. I can see a house and some trees. I can see a house and some trees. Now we have finished. Thank you so much. Thank you.